What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video for you. As some of you know, the weather has been real nice here in Anchorage the last few days, and I've gotten requests from some of my fans to go outside and grill for some of my cooking videos for a couple of years now, and I admit maybe I should step outside the box a little bit. So today I am going to show you how to make beer brats on the grill. So let's go over the ingredients. So to make beer brats, you're going to need 2 ingredients because this is really easy to make. You're going to need 1 package of sausages, doesn't matter what kind, but make sure you get some sausages that are good for grilling. And you're going to need 6 cans of beer. Now, before we get started, here's a little note. You have to be 21 years old to purchase beer. So if you're not 21 yet, either show this video to one of your relatives or friends who have talents in cooking, or alternatively, you could just simply wait till your 21st birthday. So anyway, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna open all 6 of our cans of beer. And we're gonna dump them in this pot. And there you have it. We got 6 cans of beer in a pot. So we're gonna turn on our burner to about high heat, and we're gonna put a lid over this and wait till it starts to boil. Also, here's another note: when you're cooking with pots, and if you can't find a lid for the pot you're using, improvise and put a plate over the pot instead of a lid. It's called improvising. Alright, so while I'm waiting for my beer to boil, I'm outside right now on the back porch where our grill is. So here's a little tip. So I'm going to turn on the burners to about high heat. And here's a little tip. If your igniter is not working like this, use a lighter. Use a long-ended lighter. See? Pretty simple, isn't it? Gotta make sure to brush up all this dust from the last time you cooked as well. Alright, so the beer is now boiling. We're gonna put these brats into the beer and boil them for 12 minutes. And here's a little reminder. And I don't know if I said this already or not, but even though you're cooking in alcohol and you have to be 21 to purchase alcohol, let alone consume it, even though you don't have anything to worry about because meat that's boiled in alcohol is still safe to consume for those who are under 21. All right, so our brats have been boiling in the beer for 12 minutes. Let's turn off the burner, take the lid off, and put the brats on another plate because the plate I just used is actually hot, so I gotta use a fresh, clean plate to avoid burning myself. So now that these brats are done, I'm gonna dump the beer down the drain, go outside and put these on the grill. Alright, so our grill is all heated up. I'm gonna spray just to ensure the meat doesn't stick, I'm gonna spray some canola oil cooking spray onto the grill, and I'm gonna put these on the grill for about I'm gonna say about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them after the 10 minutes, and then cook them for another 10 minutes, and they'll be done. It turns out these brats are cooking a whole lot faster than expected, so yeah, just keep them on the grill till they look thoroughly cooked on every side. So these beer brats are apparently all done. because look at that. They look so well done. I'm going to be putting them on a plate. Ooh, looks a little burned, but that's all right. All right, so now that our brats are done, we're gonna put them on a bun or something similar. As you can see, I'm using a piece of bread. Here's a little tip: if you run out of hot dog buns, and if you make hot dogs and you want to eat them on buns but don't have any, use bread. When I was a kid, I used to improvise. My father would sometimes improvise when we make hot dogs and use pieces of bread. Alright, so this is how the final product should look like. Sorry if I'm a little hard to see because of the sun. So let's do a taste test. This is really good. So that's how to make beer brats. So thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.